So here I am after installing the cylinders. Had a bit of a problem, not a problem, but the way it's set up is that only one cylinder I can see the full and the empty dial. The other one is hiding at the back here. I have this pipe here which I just had a bit of concern about. Comes out here around the back and in there. I don't know if the turn is too severe, but I don't think so. I just need to strap them in, have all the connections tight. I bought them from Gasit obviously, but I wanted to use my old tails, the German tails that came with it. This is a German cylinder that I bought. I think it was €50 when we left Germany off the dealer. And it's half full, even though we've used it a good bit. I wanted to use the German tails in these because they're quite expensive to buy. And these connections here, which just needs to be tightened up. I've just drilled out the hole, so I'm using my round file here to just smoothen out a bit. It's a bit rough at the back, but I had to bring it in a bit because there's a lip at the back, just at the back there. There's 2 lips. I marked it with pencil. One is there, one is down here. So the front of it is there, which is fine. The back of it is smaller, so I do have room about a mil or two at the back. It's smaller. These are all the tools I've been using, so I just need to cut this here slightly, put that there, just let in the pipe. Check all the connections again, and tomorrow the station just out the road is open, and we'll put a few euros in it and test it for leaks. I have a leak protector gas that I bought in Woodies, and that's another job done, and hopefully it'll work for us.